Oga, it's my fundamental human right to defend my tribe. All my rights. I can get one more go no. So now when your reverend started kidnapping people, leading people to earlier grave, now we don't need to fight the person because then we're freedom of worship. We fly. We're gonna fly again. If only can collapse, no, but the enemy only can health is challenge. We collapse, I know. You bring a direct to mortuary. Now you collapse because that's a man of God. You go. Only no London to Kotego, man of God. UK branch. There were cleaner branch. They are in a bumbo. You were a man of God. There you go in Africa. America branch, slave, neighbors in America. No. To cut on the ego practical, in man of God. But when I break a Jesus in you, no. Mbono to cut in America, and you're a man of God in Nigeria, name walk nepa. No, you know US here, may go. Oh, you know Nigeria come. So, see your Kagamano scam. In America, in is the traffic. Oh yeah, now we're gonna have traffic in Nigeria when you get meal. Oh why not that whip the 1,000 no tourists a Chilean king. Man, no matter your level, above traffic in America, one day you take no matter whom you are. Remember never back a Chilean king not end. No idea. We can no matter which you oh you know not to again in Nigeria walk nothing before the world, all the useless before the world. Now here G must come, I am Oyo. Onye nwụrụ everybody ma onye ọwụ ndị village amara onye jizi eme miracle nobody knows him. Ọ na-agada asị nwoke m daalụ zuzu ọrịba onye na-emere gị crusade dowere ammo tank mba jee security agent jee gwa ha na ịchọrọ ammo tank ka o so weke ma ọwọ nkobo when the security tat and do what you need more tank to secure you for 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Maybe more tank. Jagulia. Each and every man in the wood na one so each and more tank just like that. Without all this from above. You to face the unwable crowd. You to under our nature and chade prophet and also gonna watch a prophet, then you to face again, hand to hand, so that it's here and it's about go back. Prophet again, what is a microphone? Any native doctor that will send arrow here, we're native doctor with power. Scam, one and a half of fear. We're getting a arrow. One each arrow, gendos, Apollo Gallo, Magalo, Mabwood. Each arrow, Japan and Apostle, Apollo Gallo. Epota isim na menwere ike magalo isim magalo ede design na ntukwasi ege na obi pam obare me pam enwo ije ni any native doctor that will send arrow here omaro the 10 minutes onya ha nwo isi man ke jena send regalo nene ga na enyaro and I send regaro. Jesus na fight when I send regaro. The same Jesus amount we 100 million account. Yo Jesus yara pundaro has send we 100 million account. Caro na. Hey. Are rebugom. No raparo. Wes 1 billion account gonna ke man with power kalilaro. We 1 billion account go rapundaro. Your Jesus say I big yara pondaru. Just give me 1 billion more 900 million account again. Okay, man aro the nezio. E man is solution e ja chualu. E man onya na send aro ya na to gojo. Agwa mono bondoka no ko man no na Satan je dozie. Okwa yin wa be Satan we kwensu nwa na ekwu okwu ya. Ne kwetesi na ebe kwensu na sai meweze nka ikunu mewe nkunu. Una manzuori na nabai. And with freedom of worship, yes, man, and don't use any worship to steal, deceive our people to their earlier grave. Otes in way freedom of worship, guess when we freedom of kidnapping. How here? Na with freedom of worship. You were unable mother. That means there should be freedom of kidnapping under your worship now. Now, when it comes to kidnapping, you don't want to know where any religion the person belongs. Or you need to fight that person because he's breaking the law. Now, when your reverend started kidnapping people, leading people to earlier grave, now we don't need to fight the person because then we're freedom of worship. We fly. If only can collapse, but a health is challenge. We collapse, a direct to mortuary. Now you collapse because that's a man of God. Onye no London to Kotego, man of God. UK branch, they were cleaner branch. They are in a bumbo. You were a man of God, in Africa. America branch, slave, Naples in America. No. To cut on the ego practical, in a man of God. But when I break a Jesus in you, no. Mbono tokotego na America, nyene man of God na Nigeria na enwere oku nepa. No onye no US here mego. Onye no Nigeria ka mma. So si yoka gem no ka gem scam. Ino na America ino is the traffic. Oya na agwa na agbafe traffic na Nigeria nwe ihe ga-emi o. Owa na ada wepụta 1000 note o echinyere akin. Mana no matter your level, agbafe traffic na America nwanne ejide gị. No matter whom you are. Mama na ebe aka Chineke na dị ndụ. No idea. Maka na mmadụ bụ chibia. Onye unu na-atụ ego enye na Nigeria work nothing before the world, all the useless before the world. Onwe ihe Iwaji. Onwere anything oge emenwe achieve na Japan. Dani were ego anye Japan, maybe we take one product from Japan. And before Japan release the area, you must give Japan money. Na to ego na eri ichi anya na ezuno ne. Mono ne nwere boho na village unu. Una atụkọta nwere ego ahụ ka enwe clinic na bunu. Health center dị na bunu na anwụ anwụ. Health center dị bunu na anwụ anwụ. Ị na-ebu ofo ego. US branch. Ayo. US branch, ayo. Ewu. Ime practical miracle, cheweze spiritual miracle. Mbe nwere aro. Aro si ndị ikeri ọnwụ na-abịa na US. E nwere onye Igbo na ekwuru ọbịa maka send aro na US, ọ ka nọrọ ekwuru ọbịa. Ati ego go religion is always with a hatred. Ebe gị na ụmụnne gị nọ, anawazi ego. We fly. Feligawa. Mgbe enwere onye nọ n'ọkụzụ maka ese send aro n'India, ọ ka nọrọ ọkụzụ. Ke ọ n'ọkụzụ eme. Ihe kwetekwanụ mba na-erigo gị. Na ndị eji ime miracle nwere ya ma onye, mana ndị nwere anwa ma onye, ndị na-efe efe ma onye. Ha na-post phone number ma mia. Ndị furu onye fonye dị ụtọ ya kpọọ nọ. Oh, he post ozi number Jesus. JESUS number ejiri kpọ gị o. JESUS. Reality. Oh, nwa gị na-efu. Ọ gbanarị gị na nnukwu crowd dị otu ahụ. Na i post weze number gị ka ị chọtara gị nwa gị. Oga Holy Spirit nwere phone number. Mmee gị number n'abalị. Wepụ the phone, get pray number Holy Spirit. Nobody they call you. He got on the most. Oh, in a post here na village platform. Keta kema no mo naga boza most. Oh, nwa gi na efu maka nunu jere, but the post was here na village group. Mo ani jere fight in the village gi. Nwa gi kpolu je, but the don do begin na agwa gi na eme nwa gi he na eme na abro the village gi. Just nwa gi nwe mental disorder. On the by in taking thing when such challenges. Care of them in America, na Canada, na UK. Hey, when I snatch you, I like walk. When you've what like when I go, well, I'm me, I create. What is that? Walk,